honorable chief guest and my great audience. This is Mahalakshmi. Thank you for having me here today. And today's our topic is, do we really need smart cities? First of all, I would like to tell my positive opinion on that. For why we need a smart cities. In smart cities, we will develop the smart roads, smart hospitals, smart infrastructure, smart management of solid waste and water, smart brain, and also the smart mentality. The smart cities is under control of commercial, station and common administration. So if the scolding cases happen, then directly radiations go on that office and thief are under control of police. Now time, if you compare that, the police want to get up at the night for capture the thief. And in smart cities, it is easy to capture the thief to the police. Second is that in smart cities, commercial and residential area are totally different. So congestion cases not happen. If you compare the India, Delhi, Mumbai, there are up the 95% congestion is happen. So in smart cities, commercial and residential area are totally different. Congestion is not happen. And the main reason is the great investmenters don't like to invest their money, policy and project in India because the less quantity of providation. If you compare the other countries like Russia, London, USA, they can provide the facilities easily in 5 days. But you compare the India provide the facilities in 40 to 20 days. You know, you are all educated. The difference of 5 days and difference of 40 to 50 days, that are too long. That's why we need a smart cities. And my main topic, most speakable subject, all the relation of matter is related to government. Government is our enemy? That is question. No, government is not enemy. If the government is our enemy, then why the government launches the new schemes for the people? If government is enemy in educational schemes, why the government give the 8.3K student to select in National Innovative Award? The 3,843 students are selected in that. If the government is corrupted, then why they do? Police are corrupted. Why police are corrupted? If police is corrupted, then why the decreasation of rape percentage, the scolding percentage? And my next topic. My one good friend said that in school there is no benches. Yes, we don't like benches because in government school we love to sit our motherland. We don't want benches. And my second good friend said that the income of our Ram Mandir is 50 to 60 lakh. Yes, because human is greedy. He want money from human. He want money from anything. Why he don't want the money from temple? And that money is not wasted. That money are used in agricultural field and educational field also. That's why the income of Ram Mandir is 50 to 60 lakh. And my next, the statue. My good friend said the statue. They makes a lot of statues. And where is the thought? Bro, the thoughts of that person in our mind and in our heart. That's why. And next is, And next, you said that the smart cities were built in thousands of years. How they built in thousands of years? In smart city, there is a two field, branch field and green field. And our 110 smart cities projects are included in branch field. Government must be increase the number of that smart cities. Government must be, because smart cities are developed in future. And future is unpredictable. We can't tell about the future. The greenfield means they directly develop the new areas. There is a management of everything and also the agriculture. According to 2024 worldwide research, agriculture is increased and there is 85% now. Before it is 75%, now it is 85%. And in future it will increase. And the 110 smart city project can include in branch field. Branch field means they directly develop the residential area or congesting area. Means they develop that all situation. And the topic is and point is unemployment happen. Why the unemployment happen? Government gives so much chances, chances to in every sector, and government just try to fulfill the some priorities of people.